Welcome to my YouTube channel, General Mind. Today our topic is about Earth. You are looking at the deepest place in the world that humans have ever explored. So let's explore our planet and find out what secrets it holds. And for this, we'll head down under the ocean to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. But before we do, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about our amazing planet. Let's go. This is the Challenger Deep, the deepest part of the ocean, and also the deepest place on Earth, located in the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean. The trench was formed millions of years ago when two tectonic plates collided. The Pacific Plate is slowly being pulled beneath the Philippine Sea Plate, and this process has created a deep trench in the ocean floor. The Challenger Deep is approximately 11 kilometers deep and almost 2,500 meters deeper than Mount Everest is tall. That means if you were to stack up 100 American football fields one on top of each other, they would still be almost 200 meters shorter than the depth of the Challenger Deep. That's very deep. If you were to drop a bowling ball from the top of Mount Everest to the bottom of the Challenger Deep, it would reach a speed of over 240 kilometers per hour. Considering that it takes a bit over 4 minutes for the ball to hit the bottom, we can only imagine how fast the ball would be going. Despite its incredible depth, the Challenger Deep is home to a surprising variety of life forms, including crustaceans, fish, and even single-celled organisms. But it wasn't until relatively recently that scientists were able to explore this extreme environment and learn more about the unique creatures that live there. The first manned vessel to reach the Challenger Deep was the Trieste in 1960, a bathyscaphe designed by the Italian engineer and ocean explorer Jacques Piccard and the Swiss oceanographer Auguste Piccard. The Trieste was a unique vessel in that it was not a traditional submarine, but rather a hybrid between a submarine and a deep-sea research vessel. It consisted of a hollow steel sphere that could withstand the immense pressures of the deep sea and was attached to a float containing ballast tanks and an air supply. The crew of the Trieste, which consisted of two men, Don Walsh and Jacques Piccard, descended into the Challenger Deep and spent several minutes exploring the bottom of the trench before returning to the surface. During their dive, they observed a rocky bottom covered in silt and mud and saw several marine organisms, including a starfish and a crustacean that resembled a mini lobster. Since then, only a handful of people have ever visited the Challenger Deep. No one has been there since 1969. That's right. For over 50 years, no human has set foot in this mysterious place. But now you might be wondering why. After all, with advancements in technology, you would think that we would be eager to explore this mysterious place. But the reality is that exploring the Challenger Deep is extremely difficult and dangerous. At such extreme depths, the pressure is thousands of times greater than at sea level, and the temperature is near freezing. Additionally, there is no light, so any exploration must be done in complete darkness. These conditions make it extremely challenging for humans to survive and operate, requiring specialized equipment and training. The difficulty of exploring the Challenger Deep has also been compounded by its remoteness. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean, far from any major population centers, making it a challenging location to access. Despite these challenges, there have been several unmanned expeditions to the Challenger Deep in recent years, providing valuable insights into this mysterious place. In 2019, for example, a team of scientists used a remotely operated vehicle to explore the bottom of the trench and discovered a new species of deep-sea life. But while these unmanned expeditions have been successful in advancing our understanding of the Challenger Deep, they cannot fully replace the experience of human exploration. There is something about the sense of wonder and adventure that comes with exploring the unknown that is impossible to replicate with a machine. And for that reason, there are those who continue to dream of returning to the Challenger Deep and uncovering its remaining secrets. As mentioned earlier, only a few people have ever seen the bottom of the Mariana Trench, and one of them was Don Walsh, an American ocean explorer. He was part of the crew of the Trieste that made the first manned descent to the Challenger Deep in 1960. After his historic dive, Walsh continued to explore the oceans, conducting research on deep-sea mining and fisheries. He also played a key role in the development of the first undersea research laboratory, which allowed scientists to study the deep sea in a more immersive way. Walsh's passion for the ocean never faded, and he remained an advocate for marine exploration and conservation throughout his life. He passed away in 2019 at the age of 82, leaving behind a legacy of discovery and adventure. Here's what Walsh had to say about his experience at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. There's nothing like it in the world. It's the ultimate in the sense that it's the bottom of the ocean. It's the ultimate frontier. It's just incredible to think that there is a place on Earth that is so remote and so extreme that we didn't know what was down there until we went down there. Victor Vesovo is a retired U.S. Navy captain and a private equity investor who holds the record for the deepest solo dive to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. He made the dive in 2019 using a state-of-the-art submersible called the Limiting Factor. Vesovo reached a depth of 10,928 meters in the Challenger Deep, breaking the previous record of 10,922 meters, set by a Japanese vessel in 1995. It took Vesovo almost 5 hours to descend to the bottom of the trench, and he spent several hours exploring the surrounding area before returning to the surface. During his dive, Vesovo photographed a new species of deep-sea life and collected rock samples for analysis. He also conducted a series of experiments to study the extreme environment of the Challenger Deep, including testing the strength of different materials at extreme depths. Vesovo's dive was not only a remarkable feat of exploration, but also a testament to human ingenuity and determination. His achievement has inspired others to explore the depths of our oceans and uncover the mysteries that lie beneath. So it turns out that aside from being incredibly beautiful, our planet is also very mysterious. We've barely scratched the surface of what lies beneath its waters, and there's so much more to discover. Maybe one day you'll be one of the lucky few who gets to explore this amazing place, and who knows what incredible discoveries you might make. From new species of deep-sea life to incredible geological formations, the Challenger Deep is truly a place like no other. Who knows what other wonders await us in the darkest depths of our oceans? Now let's take a look at some incredible facts about Earth that will blow your mind. Did you know that there are more trees on the Earth than stars in the night sky? That's right. NASA believes that there are around 3 trillion stars in the observable universe. But the number of trees on Earth is estimated to be between 3 and 4 trillion. The Amazon rainforest alone contains more than 100 billion trees. Did you know that Earth is actually getting wider? It's true. As the planet warms, the ice caps melt and water from the ocean seeps into the cracks in the crust, increasing the pressure and causing the crust to stretch. As a result, the diameter of the Earth at the equator is increasing by about 1.8 meters per year. Did you know that Earth has a magnetic shield that protects us from harmful radiation? It's called the magnetosphere, and it's generated by the movement of molten iron in the Earth's outer core. This creates electric currents that form magnetic field lines that extend from the Earth's surface into space. The magnetosphere is constantly bombarded by solar wind and cosmic rays, but the magnetic field deflects most of these particles, protecting the Earth and its inhabitants from harmful radiation. So there you have it, just a few of the many amazing facts about our planet. Earth is a truly special place, and we are fortunate to call it home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about our amazing planet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.